Welcome to PFTV. Mpethu Puchabu, thoughts on the game?
Greetings to yourselves na bantu abasibukele. Maybe before singena ku game, ake sikhulume nge build up towards le game yanamhlanje. The arrogancy from the Dioli coach. I think he mentioned that there's nothing to actually praise about the Orlando Pirates.
Really?
Their players are overrated, blah 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 blah. So you don't say that when you're coming from a small country called Lesotho. Remember, Pirates. It's actually recognized in the entire continent. So I think that statement was malicious coming from that coach, and I like the response that came from our coach because he told him that, look, I'm not going to allow you to bully our players and utter words like Pirates is overrated. I trust these boys, and come Saturday you'll see what they're going to do to you. And the humiliation that they suffered here, it's exactly what the coach told them. The coach even iterated that, look, we are going to rotate our squad just to show them that the pedigree of these players cannot be matched by these boys. So maybe we needed to start there. And I'm quite happy that we collected whatever points that needed to be collected, or they are now off the road. We are looking at the other opponents. So the performance for me was quite good. Yeah. I'm actually satisfied and excited that we actually want another opponent, because the bigger picture is the group stages. That's where we are going. So to avoid what had actually happened in Botswana, we're embarrassed at a certain stage. In the first leg of this preliminary round, we're knocked off by the likes of your Jwaneng. But to actually prove that now we are taking our businesses very serious, you can see the score that we have scored here, that we mean business. Yeah.
And then can we talk about individual performances? We saw Umuremi coming in. Wow, man, what a beautiful free kick.
At some stage he was booed. I think his first game, I think we're here. Yeah. There are certain fans who have booed him for a slight mistake.
Apparently it was Kaizer Chiefs fans. It wasn't Orlando Pirates fans.
Yeah, well, we can say that because we know that they are always untowards. Kaizer Chiefs fans, you can't predict them. Oprenda first watch umuntu ngeke umconfirm. So love Chiefs ngeke kuba confirm. You don't know whether they are going or they are coming. Banjalo is their nature. Ukuthi bazama ukumosha izinto noma izinto seze right. So Muremi played well, but we need to commend the coach. I heard that you said people were doubting the coach. Yeah. But maybe we need to put that into context, because I'm one of the people that were criticizing the coach. Yeah. Our critique was mainly on the basis of his selection. Remember, when you arrive in a team, the structure is there, everything is there. Yours is to continue. We understand that you still have to include your philosophy and everything, but don't put 7 new players that have never played together. I think the Marumo Gallants game that we lost 2-1, we lost on the basis of his poor selection. Yeah. So the coach was actually judged on his poor selection, but not on the philosophy of his game. Yeah. Right now I can tell you the structure is intact. Yeah. That's why I don't want to go to the individual brilliance. Pirates is playing as a unit now. The structure is solid. Yeah. So whether you bring whoever, I'm telling you now, is going to gel because the structure is now solid. Yeah, that's where we are. Yeah.
Last question, Puchabu said Tata Lekef.
We need to. We went to the market. We bought a lot of players. Yeah. We didn't just buy players. We bought quality players. So whether we are in Egypt, whether we are wherever, the quality of Pirates can now match any opponent in Africa. By the way, the semi-final of CAF that we have lost, we lost that game, I think purely on the basis of not having a depth on a bench. But I can tell you now, if this squad was like this during that particular time, I can tell you now that trophy would have been here. But because we have depth now, I can tell you now there's no other opponent in Africa that can stop us. We are taking this thing.
There you heard it, Mafagania. There is no any other opponent in Africa.
Including the league, by the way.
Yeah.
You see, I've said it to people when Kaizer Chiefs was, at some stage they were number 1.
Yeah.
I said, let them be number 1. Because I know that miraculously they will just find themselves in number 9, 10. And that's where they are now. I said, my only worry is Mamelodi Sundowns. And now that they are not doing well, that's good for us because it will be very disappointing if Sundowns at this juncture, while they are playing this nonsensical football, if Pirates cannot really take this opportunity, I'll be very disappointed. This is a time where we have to pray that the Sundowns management keeps Cardoso so that they can keep on fumbling, and then we take this thing. So I'm definitely sure that the coach was given a mandate. Number 1, get us a CAF. Number 2, get us the Premier Championship. Those are the 2 things that we need. Not to say we don't want other cups, but these 2 prominent cups, definitely they should come to Orlando this season.
I mean, sorry, Bujabu, don't be afraid to say that teams that collect points early, there are teams that, of course, they don't want to face off relegation. So it's good for them to be able to collect the points while it's still early.
But we can also say ladies first again.
Again, many aspects.
Yeah, you can say ladies first. And later, I guess, ask you know.
Thanks,
So
Buchabu.
we are there.
Thanks, Buchabu.
Yeah,
Go
say
far.
we are there.
Go far. Go far.